welcome to our channel. Sa mga hindi pa po nagsusubscribe, please subscribe po. Anyway, today, rainy Welly. Look at that. And actually going out, and we're heading to Johnsonville because we'll be moving to Johnsonville on Friday because we got a house there close to the kids' school. So right now, try naming pasyalan kasi hindi pa namin masyadong alam yung way papunta doon. So look at the kids. The kids at the back. Hi, how are you?
Everything at the back is moving.
Hi kids, how are you at the back?
Nice, but the other back is moving.
It's okay. It's okay. How are you? Can you say hi?
Hi.
What are you eating?
Cookies.
Do you like the cookies? Yeah, me too. I like that cookies. It's a chocolate cookies. Okay.
Bye.
Okay guys, so that's what the kids are doing. They are eating. Look at them there. So anyway guys, sige, I'll update you na lang ulit later because I'm gonna look at the yung daanan namin kasi first time namin nang dumaan. So gusto kong tingnan yung dinadaanan nila. Anyway, see you later. Bye! Guys, nakalimutan kong i-video yung kanina napuntahan na namin yung aming magiging bahay. Hindi ko nakuhanan. Sa susunod na lang guys. So ngayon pupunta naman kami sa bayan. Punta kami kasi andun yung work ko. So see you. Tingnan namin yung workplace. Yes, we're back. Ayun, nakapunta na kami sa workplace ko. Medyo nawala kami pero carry na. Nahanap naman namin. Tapos ngayon, palabas na kami ng city kasi pupunta na kami ng Porirua guys. We're going back to Porirua City. Hayarn no, hayarn. Ulan pa rin. Going to Porirua City, guys. Okay guys, we're here at McDo after going to the town, to the city again. At nagpapintay kami ng mga kids na matapos maglaro. Pauwi na kami when they requested to go to the playground. Yung ulan ngayon, so pinagbigyan na namin. So wala kaming choice but to go to the indoor playground. Kaya hindi sila. Anyway guys, thank you for watching and see you again on my next video. Bye!